Hi guys, I'm sorry to announce this, but I'm gonna be stopping this series at day 10, okay? Because I was talking to Ting Man yesterday, and he was saying, we were just chatting about like what works well. He was saying that if you want to grow your channel, like to be bigger, this won't really grow my channel as much because it's not really the thing that we've seen work well on my channel. Anyway, it's a 24.7 not really great. But I'm gonna be stopping at day 10 to see if I can do it by then.